What's happening, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. Yep. We're actually on our way to get back on this Freightliner. We're going to be replacing the power steering pump gasket. Right now, as y'all can see, we stuck in traffic, yo. And it is what it is. But we're going to make it over here and get this done. Alright? All right, this is the power steering pump that we're going to remove. We're going to replace the gasket. That's right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. It's only 2 bolts holding it up there, as you can see. So hopefully this all goes well. You know, don't make a mess too much. But anyway, those 2 bolts. But before we remove those 2 bolts, we're gonna go ahead and remove this harness holder along with this one right here to give us a little bit more play with the power steering line. Okay. All right. Well, let's get on with it. Okay, we're going to start with the inside bolt right here. Okay, now we'll try this outside bolt. and just really cracking it open to make sure there's no fluid gonna come out. So if it is some fluid that's gonna come out, we rather for it to come on out now so it could drain while we remove the clamps, such as this clamp for the lines. As you can see, it seems to be okay. All praise to the Most High. We do have our half a barrel down there ready to catch whatever it is this thing gonna dish out. So let me go ahead and remove these clamps. Well, that broke. Okay, now we're going to continue to remove the pump. As long as the lip is holding or still inside, it should hold on to the pump, and you shouldn't have to worry about the pump falling. You could just, once you get done unscrewing the bolts, you can slide the pump out. See, like so. See, the bolt is already off. Move the bolt out the way. Don't lose them washers. Now you can just slide the pump carefully, like so. Alright. Okay, look, we need to angle this out right quick. Just try to rest it on the frame, like so. See it resting on the frame right here. Should be alright. It's not really that heavy. It's just the lines are holding it, and it's making it a little awkward. But as you can see, I need to clean the mating surface as usual. And let me show you on this seal. Alright, this is the gasket for this pump. As you can see, it's white on this side. You flip it over, it look like a regular seal. Well, the thing is, you actually peel the white. As you can see, it's like a sticker. And once you're done peeling it like a sticker, you're supposed to stick it up here. Okay? Like this oval is on here. I gotta get a razor or something to raise it up. But you gotta stick it on here, and that's how you apply it. Alright? So let's keep it moving so we can get this done. Alright. Okay, I got a screwdriver. It's a regular flathead. Y'all know how I do it. And you just raise it up like so. Just try to get as much as you can off with this flathead. It'll be great if you can get the whole thing off in one piece. But do what you can. grab the razor right fast. Alright, I got my razor. I tried a little bit of it already. It's gonna be kind of awkward. So let me go ahead and try to work with it. And I'll cut y'all back on, alright? Alright, everybody. And there it is. It's as clean as we're gonna get it. Alright. We went on and wiped it down as well. Make sure it's out clean. You guys be careful with these internal gears. They will come out, so be careful. When you're dealing with this, when you pull the pump out, make sure you pull it straight out evenly, okay? So those gears will stay in place, okay? Alright, let me go ahead and stick this gasket on here. Okay, I just want to show you guys how I'm going to attack this by sticking this gasket sticker in place. So I want to make sure it's going to go in evenly to where I won't have any problems when I apply my mountain bolts in there. So I went on and ran the mountain bolts through the gasket, and all I'm going to do is basically push it down into place. All right, like so. There's a sticky gasket, so it should hold itself in place, like so. All right, now you have a preference. You can peel this off or leave it on there. I'm just gonna leave it on there, you know. So now you just go ahead and take your bolts off, and now we can enter in with the pump. All right, we have it all in there. We're trying to snug this inside bolt down right quick. You don't want to pull it down too tight right away, because you want to make sure you draw it in evenly. As you can see, you still have a little gap there. You can see shiny. If you can see something shining, and you still got a gap, so you want to pull it evenly. Okay, go back to the inside. Now you can snug it on down. I'm gonna put the 1/2" drive on it. Let's give it a little torque. And this is a 15mm bolt. All right, and that's pretty much it, y'all. It's on there. I mean, and like I said, you can break this tab off if you want, or just like me, I'm just gonna leave it on there. You know what I mean? It ain't really making no big deal to me. Then again, it might. You know what? I might cut it off later on. Alright, right now, we're gonna go ahead and put this mounting bracket for this harness back on, along with this one. By the way, these are 11 millimeters, the bolt and the nut, along with this one. Okay. All right, let me find this one nut. I don't know where they put it. All right, he had the nut in his pocket, so we got it on there. Let's go on and drive it home, baby. Hold on, I don't like. I want to straighten this out. I want it to look pretty. There it is. It's pretty enough. It's on there, ain't it? There it is. Okay, we're now gonna tighten this one down. And there it is, folks. We done. We have replaced the gasket on the power steering pump of this Freightliner. Yep, look pretty, don't it? Anyway, y'all know the deal. Remember, you can fix it too. On that note, till next time.